V4.3 quiz. Visit the cosmic rifle one time. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So let's select the angle. There are three locations where you can do it. So the first location is the Puchanki. In this house you can find the cosmic rifle and you can just do it and take it. Okay, so it's going to be like this. Don't forget to take the solo versus squad that easily you could finish it in a very less time. Okay guys. The next location where you could perform this challenge it is in Georgeport, where you can see in the video where you just go to the selected house. Mostly it is the shop house. Okay, so you can perform it here as well, and after you perform it you can complete the challenge. Okay, and get 30 lucky coins easily. And the last location where you can perform this challenge, it is Yasnaya Polyana, which is located in illegal map, and you just go to this home and you perform this, and it is it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video until end. Please support me for further instruction videos. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good time.